Kim, how are you doing? I don't know, we'll have a snore, or we'll have a donk on, or what? How are you guys? High five, lads, high five.
High five. High five. High five.
Sean, let's get it. Sean, we're having a donk on you.
This is what happened. This is what happens when you take amnesty. I'm getting
Lana, do you realise you're all on Facebook the more than that?
Currently enhanced Twitch.
Oh my lord. Wait, that's what we call a donk on of a snore, that, like, we'll see you on Facebook in about 2-3 hours time. Over and out.